In this video, I'll show you how to charge your Nintendo Switch controller. If you find the tutorial useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy tips and tricks. Charging the Nintendo Switch controller ensures it stays powered for uninterrupted gameplay. It also helps maintain battery health for longer-lasting performance. To begin, take your Nintendo Switch controller and navigate to the Controllers option on your screen. Once you're on the Controllers page, you'll see several available options. From there, select the Find Controllers option. When you reach the next page, choose the controller you want to work with. Now, take a moment to check the back side of your controller. As shown on the screen, you'll notice a small jack-like connector. This connector is key to detaching the parts of the controller. Gently pull the connector out, just as demonstrated on the screen. Once you've detached the piece, you can also slide it back in and reattach it to the controller with ease. This simple action allows you to manage your controller parts as needed. After reconnecting the parts, return to the controller page and verify if everything is set up as it should be. It's important to ensure that the connection is secure, so check the controller settings to confirm it is properly detected. Similarly, if you wish to detach the blue console, you can use the same method. Just like you detached the red console earlier, use the jack at the back of the controller to detach the blue one. When you look at both parts, you'll notice they have different charge levels. In my case, the blue part is fully charged, the middle part has a low charge, and the red part is half charged. This method allows you to efficiently manage the charge and usage of each console part. With these steps, you can easily disconnect and manage your Nintendo Switch controllers. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.